Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about how you can use both graphite and charcoal wisely in your drawings. As you guys may already know that graphite produces less dark value than the charcoal. Drawings that are only made by using graphite pencils lacks contrast and depth in it. But by using charcoal, you can give a good dramatic look to your drawings. For example, take a look at this drawing, which I created using only graphite. Notice how it lacks depth due to limited darkness of graphite, whereas you can get much darker tones by using charcoal. I often receive questions on my social media about how I blend graphite and charcoal in my portraits, given that charcoal typically doesn't layer well on graphite. So the answer is, I only use charcoal for drawing hairs or for the darkest parts of the portrait, while I use graphite only for making skin tones. You should not use them together, and I am going to show you why. If I try make a layer of charcoal on top of the graphite, then you can see it doesn't work at all. The charcoal pencils have usually 3 shades: medium, soft and extra soft. The extra soft charcoal pencil can work over a graphite layer because its lead is composed of very loose particles. However, it will scratch the paper, damaging the texture and ultimately making your drawing look bad. Now let's see how graphite works over a charcoal layer. As we already know, graphite has shining property. The more pressure you apply on the paper, the more graphite will shine. And that's the major drawback of using graphite. If the shining of this drawing at certain angles is not a problem for you, then you can use graphite to make small details on hair, as I did in this drawing. Okay, now let's talk about another topic which is really important if you want to use charcoal in your drawing, which is paper. The paper quality is very important. The graphite can work almost at any paper and at any GSM. But for using charcoal, the paper should be of at least 150 GSM or more than that. Choose the paper which is indicated as textured or medium surface, because charcoal adheres well on textured surface rather than the smooth surface. Okay, now you guys know how you can use charcoal and graphite together to make your drawing look more better. Do not mix them in the drawing. Use them separately. Only use charcoal for the darkest spots like eyeball and the hairs, and leave the rest parts for the graphite. So that was all in this video, and I hope now you know where to use charcoal in the drawing. Keep practicing. Bye bye.